it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Moose toy package. They sent us another package and this one is super jumbo. So I'm really excited to see what is inside this package. Guys, so I'm gonna open it up now. Whoa. Let's move this. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a backpack. I think they sent me a back to school care package, which is so cute. Look at how cute this backpack is. Oh, Shopkins. Oh, and I also think this is a lunchbox right here. You can unattach it, maybe? Oh yeah, you can. And then you can attach it back on with Velcro. So guys, I'm gonna actually take this off and show you what is in here. Oh, there's nothing in here, but I really, whoa, look how cool it glitters. And it says, gotta dance. And it's so cute. And I like how it glitters in the light. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really pretty. It's pretty heavy. I think there's a lot of stuff in here. All right. Oh, here's another lunch box. Or a little, yeah, it's a little lunch box. Let me open this up. Uh-oh, I need some scissors. Alright guys, so I got it open and it looks like there is stuff inside of here. So I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, so there's nothing up here, but you can fit a lot in there. I think it's on the bottom. So there's also a bottom layer. Open it up. Ooh. Let's see. So it came with a Tupperware where you can put your food in. Oh, it also came with a spoon and a fork, which is so cute. Alright guys, so let's look inside the backpack because there is a lot more stuff in the backpack. So first we have this notebook. And it's so cute. It's got all the characters. Oh my, and a lot of characters on the back. And it's so adorable. I really like how colorful it is. What else do we have? We have Shopkins Little Secrets. Okay, so it looks like here it says secret lock includes one teeny Shoppy plus one teeny Shopkin inside. Okay, so let's see what's next. Oh, so we have a bunch of stickers here. We got like bananas, lipstick, cakes, popcorn. Super adorable. We've got some, let's see, we've got some ballpoint gel pens. Got different colors, really cute. Ooh, we got some sunglasses. Oh, there's also a watch. So cool. And then let's see. So the last items I see are sticker party pack. So we have more stickers. And then we got 2 pencils decorated with some Shopkins. Alright guys, so it looks like that's it for the back to school care package. And I want to thank Moose Toys so much for sending me this back to school care package. I loved everything in it. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!